So today, we got a fun one.
Do you have to take it off in a star pattern too, or you just take it off?
No, just take it off. It don't matter.
Smoke these bad boys off.
That's right.
I don't know the best way to do this.
Pull it straight off. They're not too heavy.
Like how though? Like from here or like from
Yeah,
here?
you can do that. Grab the spokes. There you go. Did I forget one?
I don't think so. This one's just like really on here, I guess. It's like stuck. Oh. Not anymore.
Nope. Because we're about to whack it with a hammer.
Oh. Does that mean it's a ball joint?
Yeah.
See? I listen.
There. Okay. Now, we do that to the other side. Okay. Pop that other tie rod off. Just force the steering.
Pull this over.
Yeah. Use those muscles.
I haven't been driving this without power steering for long enough. Shit. Come back here, you little fucker. How far did you put it on there?
Just there's fine. And then whack it.
The top of it? Or
Kiss, yeah, kiss that first few times.
With which side does it matter?
That side.
The pointy?
No, other side.
This side?
Yep.
Was that like a bitch? I'm like scared to, so I'm like, do you have to be like gentle?
There you go. You whack it.
I don't want to like whack my car though. I don't have like the best of aim. Ah! Yeah! What am I taking off? Oh my god, what's all this shit?
That's what we gotta find.
It's leaking?
Yeah, this.
Oh, what's that, a strut? What is that?
No, it's just a brace.
Oh. Let's try to get for thinking.
Exactly. That's why you don't think.
Yeah.
You just do. It's gonna be in every video.
It's gonna be our theme.
Wobblies.
Yeah, it's
gotta go
not
get it.
gonna.
Time lapse. 110 millimeter wobbly.
Dude, do I have to take this off, right?
Yeah.
Much better.
Hammer that trigger.
God. Ew, don't lick my mouth. Miller the mechanic.
You shop dog.
Miller the master mechanic. Uh-oh. It's gonna have to, you're gonna have to hold it up there and then I'm gonna have to put the gun on because you can't, this thing's too big.
Yeah, do it then. Pull it off, stick it up there. I will assist if you need it.
This thing's like way too heavy for me to lift up with one hand. I can't. You're
No.
gonna have to.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go.
See how how it moved?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
It's off.
Okay, let's pull that out. Grab that bolt.
This has to come off or you can't get that out.
That's right. Roll on down, baby. So like I said, we're gonna slowly walk it down. Falls, it's gonna hurt. Let me get back there. I don't want to be in the danger zone.
Yeah. Yes, please.
It won't fall because the struts are holding it, but better safe than sorry. That one. See? Now nice that opens it up. Let's blow these black widows out of here.
With the Ego Power 3000.
Bet you never thought you'd see someone using a leaf blower while working on a car. But hey, if it gets
You
rid of
did
black
today.
widows, yeah, I'm cool with it.
Much better. Except for, am I tightening or am I loosening it?
You're loosening.
Feels like I'm going tight.
Ooh, that's nice. How come Dylan doesn't do this for me at work? Dylan, take notes.
This is just love.
Shoot, I can do this all day now. Shouldn't you be doing this?
No.
I feel like I should be doing this.
I'm just a helper. I'm not a doer.
You're a doer.
I'm a doer of some things. I'm a doer of some easier things. Don't let that thing fall on your head.
And if it does, then
Well, I'm not like on your life insurance or anything. So can you not do it today?
if it would sag just a freaking hair more,
Like some old boobies?
yeah, like some big old floppy old titties,
Slappy dappies?
yeah,
Slapping titties?
it would be perfect. All right, guys. No,
Baby's up.
so baby's the hands. I don't know what to do with my hands. So the baby's up. So we got to call it a day. We pretty much have the rack and pinion out. It's stuck under the sway bar. We were about to take the sway bar off, and then baby woke up. Good progress today. Yeah, and I'll have to say this is her fifth time working out here with me.
Some fourth?
I think it's the fourth, and you know, it's one of those things you kind of going into it think, you know, you get irritated with her because it's your wife, but no, it's actually been extremely enjoyable having her out here with me. She's a good worker, she's learning fast, and I got someone to talk to instead of sitting in the car cussing at it the whole time by myself.
Now we cuss at it together.
Yeah, it's great. It's been a lot of fun. Grab your wrench.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Big.
Okay.
I can't see where that one is.
Just get that back one then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you gotta hold that, so.
Oh.
Okay. Now you're gonna have to come over towards the front like.
Will I fit under there? Oh, I'm not gonna be able to because of this shit.
And then we're gonna have to literally push it down. Bam!
Bam, bitch!
Well, at least get a shot of
Professional.
pulling it out.
Pulling it out, it's already out.
Out from under the car then.
Oh, okay.
Since somebody forgot to press record. Can you hand me a 10mm socket?
Yeah.
And ratchet? On the electric ratchet, the green one up there, and just a 10mm socket. The smallest one's 6, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I feel like I grabbed the wrong shit. This?
I
did it.
Not gonna get yelled at today.
Not today. Today's not today. That's only if I shine the light in the wrong spot.
And then the frickin' battery dies. But look what came off.
Wow. Things are really working out for us today.
It's like it's meant to be.
Pretty much.
Like that.
Ooh.
Someone's got the tie rod stuck in the knuckle still. That's why I wasn't falling. Timber. Come on. Come on. And that's how you get it out.
All right. We got the rack from Pick and Pull. Get this back in here. Get some power steering again. Slide this under. Like there?
Yeah, that works. Okay. Pull this back towards you. I can try to snake this. And come on. Okay. There, like that. Okay, now we do your side. I'm gonna pull down on the cradle, and if you have to get off the creeper, flip this, up, because this needs to go in here, just like that. Perfect, babe. Beautiful. Bam, it's in. Now we just gotta put the bolts back in.
It's hard because I'm doing it with my left hand. That's why it's throwing me off.
That's what
I
it
guess
is.
that's what it is.
Because it's her left hand. Mm-hmm.
I gotta get over here.
Oh, my bad. Real bummer.
It'd be nice to have somebody holding my head up right now.
So close.
I can't.
I want to run the harness for it under that heat shield before we tighten it down.
Here, push it through again and then just leave it so I can just grab it.
Okay.
What the f is that?
One of your heat shield.
Oh, the bolt? Here, just take it off.
Yeah. Wi-Fi'd it,
Yeah. Okay. Is that it?
Yep. And then let's grab your bolt that fell. I think it went right on your bolt. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
You should just do it. I'm not like a hell thank you symbol.
I'll lay on your side or your back. Okay, you can get the last one.
I'm out. You get the last one.
No. You know, me no. Screw you guys. I'm again.